Hey guys, normally I don't like to do two videos on the same day, but there's been a lot of stuff that's been happening, and I felt like we really needed to talk about our favorite company we love to hate. So, a lot's been going on, and it's been a really roller coaster kind of emotional ride with Blizzard lately. I mean, J. Allen Brack's stepping down to pursue better opportunities, which is, it's a surprising way of saying, "Yo, you got to get the f out because you can't be here anymore." Um, and then and then to top it off, they the head what is his actual title? Hold on, I don't want to get this wrong. The senior vice president of global HR, Jesse Meschik, is has left the company. When the head of your HR department leaves, what is it, less than a week after the lawsuit's been filed, you know he knows some stuff and he's off to go disappear. Like, oh my God. I mean, it's flabbergasting when I read some of this stuff and it's just like I can't even I maybe it's me. Like I have worked multiple different jobs and there have been females at all of these locations. And never once did I feel like I needed to sexually assault or sexually harass these women. Never came up in my mind that this would even be a thing that was acceptable to do. The fact that these people just think that's okay and it's all right to do is just like what planet are you guys from? I mean, honestly, I I said it before. I mean, I didn't say it online, but I'm saying it now. When this stuff comes to court and these women start coming forward, I I can't wait to see how many people end up getting divorced from their wives. Because this stuff, as far as I can understand now, has been going on since Metzen was still there. Morheim. I mean, come on. Are you kidding me? I mean, do I feel like Metzen did anything? Nah. Do I feel like Morheim did anything? Probably not. But man, to know that it was going on and to be like, we failed you? Oh my God, that's like, and why is it you wait until now to like come forward? Unless something's something's in there, something deep down in the archives that, you know, that people don't want to get out and they're just trying to build as much cushion in between before it happens. I mean, honestly. And then, I mean, and then the other bit of news that I was actually surprised to see, the Blizzard investors filed a secondary lawsuit against Activision Blizzard for covering up all this abuse and discrimination against female employees that they never would have invested in the company if they would have known this was going on. I mean, oh, wow. Like, now even your investors are like, nah, we're not going to touch you with 10-foot pole. We don't really care. I mean, this could seriously hurt. I mean, the suit not only names Activision Blizzard as the defendant, but it also names Bobby Kotick, who's the CEO, the chief financial officer, Dennis Durkin, and the former chief financial officer, Spencer Newman, were instrumental in spreading false information. Wow. And you got Kotick over here going, we're going to do better. We're going to do all this stuff. And now he's named in a secondary lawsuit. I mean, honestly, what are these guys doing over there? Like, it's mind-boggling that this is going on still, and it's only going to get worse. I mean, it is once this goes to trial. If they somehow do not manage to settle out of court, which I don't even see how that's going to be possible. The amount of money Activision Blizzard is going to lose to say all of these individual accounts of people being harassed or assaulted. I mean, it's I don't even know if I can comprehend that much money having it in my lifetime as one individual person. And then and see that's like to me, like I'm not supporting the behavior, but the company's gonna have to make budget cuts. I mean, there's no way. I mean, like, and the first people that are gonna get cut, people walking out and everything else, and they're just gonna be like, oh hey, we got to do budget cuts. We lost all this money, so I'm sorry, you got to go. It's not retaliation. It's just we're gonna have to let go of you and this person and so many people from this department. People are gonna be out of work, out of jobs. But as I was saying to my wife, I'm like, I cannot believe like these people, these women that are involved in this lawsuit. Why are there not? Why am I not hearing about other companies coming to these women's defense? I mean, honestly, if you're a company and you even need just the littlest bit of positive PR, you hire these women, you bring them on, and you give them a safe, judgment-free working environment. You, I mean, you can't ask for better PR. I mean, people are gonna be like, "Wow." I mean, if you're an indie developer or you're somebody else, and you like, you know, and you might have had some bad PR in the past, not hopping on this to get good PR is mind-boggling to me. I just, honestly, what are these people doing? Oh my god. It hurts my brain just to sit here and read what is continually going on. Like, he's really sorry and he really wants to work at Blizzard. And he says that you were really friendly with him. I mean, honestly, what is this, 1980? I mean, we are in, 2021, right? How is this even a thing? Like, this is shit I would expect to see in Matchman. not a present day mega corporation like Activision Blizzard. Are you like honestly like he really wants to work here? So don't you think you could just let this go under the rug? Really? I mean, it would be like saying, well, yes, we know he's a pedophile, but he really wants to work at the school. Shouldn't he be allowed? Like, no, no. Like, are you kidding me? And you think this is gonna be a one time thing with this guy? Well, you were really nice to him. Why? What'd you do? Bring him a coffee? He'd be like, well, you know what? She brought me a coffee. Obviously, she really wants me to sexually assault her, of course, right? I mean, that makes sense, right? I'm not looking too much into it, am I? Come on. No, Tim, that's a good idea. She must really want you to do it. That's what I was thinking. Like, where are they finding these people to work in this company? Like, whose kid is this in the company that's doing this shit and getting away with it? I mean, I've worked at places where I was having a bad day and I just looked at somebody wrong and I was reprimanded. And it was like, you can't be looking at somebody like that. I'm like, uh, they asked me a stupid question. I just gave them a stupid look. Like, do we carry milk? Yes, we're a food store. Duh. Just, I just can't. I can't with these people. They just, they, they make me question humans. Like, how do we have people like this still running around unchecked? Like, why do we not have them place someplace special so they don't do this kind of behavior? It is it it's so mind-boggling. All right, guys, that's it. I needed to get that off my chest. I just could not let another day of this circus go on and not have to say something about it. Good night, all.